Comparison between NVMe and SSD. 1. Technical architecture: SSD solid-state drive. SSDs use NAND flash memory to store data, and they are a major improvement over traditional hard drives, HDDs. They typically use interfaces like SATA or SAS, which are older and slower compared to newer interfaces. NVMe, non-volatile memory express. NVMe is a modern storage protocol that works directly with NAND flash memory through the PCIe, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, interface. NVMe surpasses the limitations of traditional SATA interfaces, providing faster and more efficient handling of multiple processes. 2. Speed and performance. SSD, SATA. SSDs with SATA interfaces usually have read-write speeds of around 500 to 600 megabytes per second due to the limitations of the SATA interface. They have higher latency compared to NVMe, meaning slower data access times. NVMe drives can achieve read-write speeds of up to 3,500 megabytes per second or even higher, depending on the generation and the number of PCIe lanes. NVMe offers much lower latency, providing faster response times when accessing data or files. Third interface, SSD, SATA, uses the SATA interface, which is older and supports a maximum speed of around 6 gigabits per second. This type of drive is often used when you need large storage capacity but don't need extreme speed. NVMe utilizes the PCIe interface, which supports high data transfer speeds up to 16 gigabits per second or more, depending on the generation. It's ideal for high-performance devices like gaming rigs, high-end software, or servers. Cost: SSD, SATA. Generally less expensive compared to NVMe drives. NVMe, typically more expensive due to the superior performance and speed it offers. 5. Ideal users: SSD, SATA. Perfect for users who want a significant speed improvement over traditional hard drives without needing the very high speeds of NVMe. NVMe, ideal for systems requiring top-tier performance, such as gaming, graphic design, video editing, or working with large datasets. Conclusion: if you need high performance and low latency, NVMe is the best choice. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers good performance, SSD SATA may be sufficient. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, make sure to share it with your friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your support means everything. Subscribe, like, and share to help grow this channel.